Here is how we can set a charging limit on the iPhone. Let me talk about it, and if it's your first time being here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you can find it inside of your settings app when you get inside like this and proceed to the battery section. It should be somewhere closer toward the top, so you can tap on it like that and manage all of the different things like the current charging level and all of the other stuff, right? So you can tap on battery health, see what's up, but I want you to click on the charging menu. This is going to give you the ability to set up the charging limit as well as optimized battery charging. So these are quite of a different things. So at first we have the charging limit, which can be set from 80% to 100%. And it just means that if you set it to, for example, 90%, your phone will stay at 90. It will never reach 100%, no matter how long you keep it plugged into the charger, right? So that is for some specific occasions, or it is kind of considered that if you don't charge your phone to 100%, then this should extend the battery life. So it's up to you to decide, but I personally keep it at 100%. But optimized battery charging below, that's a bit of a different thing, honestly, because this will actually charge it to 100%, but it will charge to 80 first and quickly, and then based on your habits and the past charging situations, it will extend the remaining 20% based on the time you usually unplug the phone, or when you charge it during the night, then it's going to be based on the time you wake up. So it stays at 100% for as little as possible, right? So for example, if the device knows that you wake up at 7 a.m. every morning, it will charge your phone to 80% normally, but then it's gonna stretch the charging to 100% until 7 a.m. So that is the optimization which you can decide to have enabled or not, and that's basically the whole thing. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.